So hey everyone, in the last video we have solved around 5 questions that is related to SAS or clinical SAS. In today's video also we gonna solve 5 more questions, that is interview based question or you can say scenario based question. Let's start. So sixth question is having 3 parts. Okay, let's go with the first part. From the visit date variable, separate day, month and year value into 3 different variable, day, month and year. Okay, so this is the visit date variable. What they are saying, separate the day, month and year value into 3 different variable. So in the visit date, day, month and year values are available. We need to separate into 3 different variable, day, month and year. Yes, we can do this easily. So we need to separate the visit date values. Let me call this data name is raw data, and visit date variable visit date, and first position we need to scan, right? So first position and delimiter should be / because between each of these day, month or year values, delimiter is a separate. Okay, so we are telling delimiter will be considered as separator, not delimiter. / will be considered as delimiter or separator, and right now we're gonna read the day value. Okay, so then equal to, okay, we can write directly, then day equal to, I have made it longer guys, like we can day equal to scan from visit date, first word is like day, before / the first value is day, so we're gonna store it. Same goes to second month, here we're gonna extract the second value, and here we're gonna make the third value, that is year, so here we're gonna make it year. So let me run the raw data. Let me select the required variables, visit date and day, month, year. So day values got separated into the day variable, month value got separated into month, and year value got separated into year variable. Okay, fine, values are correct only. Now what was the second task? Then replace the missing value of day and month variable with 01 and year missing value with 25. Okay, fine. Let's create a new data set, data part 2. Let's call the previous data. We can, if missing value of day, then replace with 01. Okay. But if we write missing function, then it can have issue. So you can simply write, why I have removed missing function guys, because as per missing function, character variable will have the missing value as in blank. Okay, but right now in our data, if you see in a character variable, day is a character variable, now you can see. So there the missing values are getting represented with period symbol. So missing function not gonna work, we need to manually write. If day equal to having period symbol, then day equal to 01, right? As per the question, we want in place of missing value of day and month, we want 01. Let's keep it for month as well, and th, month, year as well, month, month, and then year equal to period symbol, then year equal to what they have told in the question, replace the missing value of year variable with the value 2025. Okay, to keep 2025. Right, run. Let's have a look. Let's select the required variable. In place of missing day, you can see it's coming 01, and missing month also it's coming 01, and in place of missing year it's 2025. You can see in the visit date this value of day was missing, so it's coming 01. Here also year was missing, it's coming 2025, and here day was missing, it's coming 01. Okay, let's go to the third question. Then combine the day, month and year variable data into a numeric date variable date underscore new with date 9 dot format. Okay, we need to combine the day, month and year value and we need to create a numeric date variable, and we need to keep format date 9 dot. Let's keep the data, let's directly copy the data name, and it's part 3. Let's call the previous data date new equal to, we'll use the mdy function, month, date and year. We'll keep the month variable first, then day. Let's directly open the final variable. You can see the date new variable is a numeric format and all the values are coming properly, okay, in a date 9 dot format. Fine. So finally we have solved this question 6, which was having 3 parts, and these are very interesting. So related to this, you will find the scenarios in the Adam. While creating Adam dataset, these kinds of scenario you can face. Now let's go to the next question, which is how to select every second observation in SAS. Okay, now here it is not written which data to call, so by default we can use the class data from SAS help library. Sole purpose is to get the second observation. You can call any data, but you need to select every second observation. So by default the variable name under which the record numbers will be coming, that is underscore n underscore divided by 2 equal to 0. So as per the syntax will look like, let me show you the syntax: mode function, then dividend and divisor, and we need to mention in this way. The definition is more clear over here. You can see here 10 divided by 3, so the remainder will be 1. So 3 3s are 9 and 1 will be the remainder, that is that you got from 10, right? That's how it works. If you divide the value of records of class data set, let's suppose the class data, let me show you. If you are dividing underscore n, this is underscore n underscore by 2, you gonna actually get the every second record, and if you are keeping the remainder 0. Now I am writing prop-print so that I can simply show you the comparison. So you can see this is your raw data. So you have selected every second record, right? You wanted every second record. So second record is Alice, right? So you can see here the first record is coming like Alice. Then the fourth record is Carol, because every second record, right? So then Carol, and then sixth record is James, then you are getting James. So every second record you are getting from your data. Okay, actually you should be writing in this way: first your raw data, and then the data you have created, the final data, which is having the refined value. You should print in this way whenever you are doing comparison. So this is your raw data and this is your final, which is having every second record. Okay, then let's suppose you want to select, let's go one step ahead. You want to select every fifth record. Okay, so you can write 5 here. So it will be divided by, and the divisor will be 5 and the remainder is 0. If you are keeping, it will give every fifth record. This is your raw data having 19 records, and here you are getting every fifth record. So see, fifth record is Henry. Okay, so first record Henry you are getting, then the 10th record is John. So then you can see John, and then the 15th record is Philip. So then you are getting Philip, and then you are not having the 20th record. So it is showing it is not showing actually the value. So till Philip it is getting stopped, because you have told SAS to read every 5th record. So 5th, 10th, 15th, and after that 20 record is not present. So 5th, 10th and 15th record is present here now. Now the next question is how to remove every 5th observation in SAS. So we can again create a data, and by default I am calling the SAS help data, and then again we can use the formula if mode dividend, and then divisor will keep, we want every 5th record, right? Let me copy and paste proc print so that I can show you. So we are calling the our raw data is sashelp.class, right? And the latest data which we have created, that is Q8 answer. Your raw data having 19 record, and you wanted to remove, actually you want to remove every 5th record, not select. So in the result window you can see, so first name is Alfred, then Alice, then Barbara, then Carol. The 5th record is Henry, right? Henry you will not find here. Alfred, Alice, Barbara. The 5th record, instead of Henry it's showing Carol here. No, Alfred, Alice, Barbara, Carol was the 4th record. 5th record was Henry. Henry it's not showing directly, it will take James, actually you can see it's directly taking James. So 5th record got removed. Same will happen the 10th record. You will not see John, it will directly move to the next record, Joyce. You can see John is not coming. After Jeffrey, the 10th record is John, right? For John, but it's directly taking Joyce. It means it's not about the name, I'm showing you the name, but the record number itself, the entire record will get removed. So if in the mode function, if you are, if the divisor is 5 and you are dividing with the numbers, so it will become 0 by default. Reminder, you might get 5 and 5, it will get cancelled and the value will get actually removed, that particular record. Same goes to 10th, 5th, 10th, 15th. It will go like a cycle. It's opposite of this. The way it's working here, if you keep 0, it's selecting that particular value. Okay. If you want to see in detail about the mode function, you can see in this graph how does it work. Okay. Now let's go to SAS Studio, and guys, that's all for today. This is the answer. So we have solved 5 questions, 3 questions from question number 6 because it was having 3 parts, and then 4th question, and then the 5th. So actually in the series it's question number 8, and that's all. In this series we're gonna continue the upcoming questions, and if this is helpful to you, please comment in the video so that I can get an idea. This series, I'm gonna continue this series. In every week I'm gonna update 5 scenario based questions, 5 or 10 questions along with the solution, and this will be extremely helpful question along with the answer. This will be related to the actual work. Okay, the questions and the solution both. So if this is helpful to you, just do let me know in the comments. If you have any more questions, you can connect me through one-to-one counseling, or you can comment related to that question or anything. That's all in today's video, guys. Thank you everyone, and bye bye everyone.